Luis, how's it going?
What's going on, man?
Talk to me, man. What's the situation?
I don't know. We were just all about to go home, and all of a sudden, we heard over the radio, "Hey, there's massive water coming out of one of the pump rooms." So we all run over there. So we thinking it's heating. It was actually a old valve from the absorption room system. Actually, the cold water supply. I guess the pressure was too much, or the valve wasn't holding. And they just popped the valve. Remember, these pipes in this building is like 47 years old. So they're doing an overhaul now in this building that they're trying to, fix everything. So that was one of the pipes that busted yesterday. So it was a valve. So what they did, they had to call in the welders. We had to drain out. They called the welders, and we eliminated the valve altogether. They just welded a piece of metal in there, and everything. The problem was fixed. But,
Yeah, because I was looking at it. So this seems like it's some type of T that they have at the top. I don't know if it was some type of hose connection. Yeah. So because this side was open. I'm assuming this is some type of probably ball valve or gate valve or something. So
it's actually a gate valve. I didn't take a full picture of it. It's an old gate valve, and that is a drain out where they drain out from.
Okay.
They need to drain the system.
So I'm assuming nobody was, because I don't see anything connected to it, so nobody was like touching it or anything. It just gave out.
It gave out. 47 years of wear and tear, and and the rust, erosion.
Had there been any leaks? Because you can see some corrosion on some of the other lines. Had there been any leaks recently?
No, man, but this is the season that they said it's going to get crazy, because once they turn on that system,
man,
that's when the system is going to start saying, "Hey, you forgot about fixing this one last season. You forgot to fix this last season." So
every building, there's about to be a bunch of buildings in this city that are going to be going through this right now, man. That's why I wanted to open up the conversation early in today's session, because this. Like James, you got a brand new building, so you probably won't be seeing it. But I'm telling you, all these older buildings.
These new buildings are worse than the older ones, man. I was in a building that was built in 2012, and they started building, I think, in winter of 2010, and by spring of 2012 was open with tenants. So and that building, I had a buddy that had a building that was next to mine that was an older building, and that building gave me more leaks than. Forget it, than an older building. So don't get it twisted, depending on the construction and who does the construction,